you are someone who likes to browse the internet, this particular video is for you, because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you an app that allows me to browse, watch videos, download videos, and do so many things on the internet for free. I discovered this app, and immediately I discovered it, I tried it on all the apps that requires internet to open on my phone. Apps like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter X, even my bank apps. This particular app opened them without me having an internet on my phone. And the beautiful part of this app is that if you are in countries like Rwanda, Ghana, let me get the list: Rwanda, Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, Tanzania, Kinshasa, and if you are also from countries like Germany, if you are from Germany, France, Canada, South Africa, United Kingdom, you can also use this particular app to browse the internet free on your phone. So if this is something you're interested in learning, make sure you watch this video to the end, so that I will show you step by step how you can download this particular app and start browsing the internet free of charge. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amugo's Concept, and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is your first time tuning in, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this amazing information. Now, to complete this exercise, the next thing you need to do is locate your Google Play Store on your phone. Then you open it. Then you search for Lintron, Litron, Lintron VPN. Litron. So that's it there. This one down here. So you click on it to open. Not the Pro version, just Litron VPN, the one that is spelled in capital letter. You click on it. Then you install it. Allow it to load. It's loading. So how fast it loads depends on the speed of the internet on your phone. You know that before you download it, you need to have internet on your phone, or you hotspot your phone, because you need to have the app on your phone before you can browse for free. So before you have the app on your phone, you need to have an internet on your phone. So it's downloading, it's almost ready. So it's installing now. So we are done downloading the app. So we will open this app. You open the app, and then you can join the Telegram group. Yeah, I said that in the other video. I have already joined, so I'll just click on the later option. So because I'm already in the group, so when it opens like this, I just try to you can see my apps are opening. Yeah, I try to open all the apps on my phone and it is working. So I tried Telegram. Then I went ahead to try YouTube. You can see I opened YouTube with this particular app on my phone. After installing it, it opened. I tried to scroll to see if videos will play, and you can see it is opening. YouTube is opening very, very well on this app. Okay, so after YouTube, I tried Telegram again. This time I've already off the hotspot that was powering my phone. So all of these apps that are opening with this free internet browsing app. So I tried TikTok now. See if it will open. So TikTok opened. Okay. Then next I tried my PI app, PI browser. Yes, PI app. This is the app. So it's opened, as you can see. So it's opened. These are apps that internet empowers to open on my phone, but they are opening with this app. I tried X, Twitter, and it's open. So it's working perfectly on X. You can see it's opening. Then I saw a video and I tried to play it to see if it will play. You can see this video is playing on Twitter. So this app is working on my phone. So I tried another app again. This time around I tried Facebook. So Facebook is opening and videos are playing on Facebook. So this app is amazing. If you download it and it's working on your phone, do not forget to come back and tell me how it's going on your phone, okay? So when you turn the app on, this is how it will look like when it's connected. When you see a pencil sign on top of your phone, just know it's connected. Now for disclaimer, this app works slow sometimes. Like I downloaded it on Saturday, I downloaded it on Sunday, I heard about it on Saturday, I downloaded it on Sunday, I used it from throughout Sunday, and in the night it refused to open. So I went back to their Telegram group. If you download the app, you will see that a link to join the Telegram group. So when I joined that group, I got another information that I have to uninstall the app, then re-download. So for people that will download this app today or tomorrow, or people that will download this app from 24th, 5th of July, I guess you'll be downloading the updated one. But from time to time, I guess there will be update on the app. So if you have any issue, the link to their Telegram group is there. You can go there and lay your own complaint if you encounter any complaint. But it is an app that lets you browse for free. I browse for free, and sometimes I discover that the network is slow, one thing or the other. So you will definitely encounter something like that. So but if it's for you to browse free, you will definitely browse the internet for free using this particular app. Now I hope you got value from this particular video. If you do, please share this good news to other people. Let them also get this information, except you don't love people in your contacts. Yes. So thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe and share this video. Okay, I will see you again in my next one.